العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
I posted this product and a lot of you were asking, what is this? Hello Scent Tribe, welcome back to another video. Today we are making Makmariya. This is called Makmaria. It is a body perfume. It is a perfume for the hair. It is a hand perfume. It is a moisturizer because it leaves your skin very soft and moist for the longest time, and it makes your skin smell so good. Your hair too will smell so good when you use this. So it comes in two flavors. One is the bloom, and bloom has a saffron oily note, while the second one, which is called aura has earthy fresh notes, which is very very soft, and it's softer. The scent from the aura is softer than the bloom is more pronounced. Yes, so this is how I make my Makmariya. And firstly, I added my silky touch into a bowl. This is also known as lamsat al harir, and it comes in different consistency. So my friend told me that this Makmaria has different consistency, and if you notice, this one looks like the one from Dubai. So the one you get from other countries can be lighter in consistency, can be watery, and then some can be thick, but all are the same products. They are all Makmariya. So I added my mica, and mica is going to give this Makmariya a very shiny, beautiful gold color. So I was going for an orange gold colored, orange pink look for this Makmaria, but I was just playing around with the mica and then the pink color. So I wanted something that would just look very girly, stylish, and beautiful, so that it will attract my customers. So I've added the mica color, and then this is my vitamin E oil. I added vitamin E oil for sensitivity. Most of my customers love to ask whether a product is very very safe on the skin. Can sensitive skin use it? So I added that. Then I brought oil perfume, and then I added it. So my Nigerian customers and our African customers love strong scents. The weather is very very hot in this part of the world, so we love to use strong scents. But people that live in the colder region, they do not like scent that is very very strong, and this has nothing to do with the product. It's just the choice of the customer or the person using the perfume or the product. So I added the pink color off camera while my phone stopped recording because the power went off, electricity went off. We are in Nigeria, obviously. This kind of problem happens. So I added more reef oil, and the color I added it in a very very little quantity. I just added a pinch of the pink color, and this is the look it gave me. It looked orangey, and it looked just beautiful and presentable, just like how I wanted it to come out. After letting it to sit for a day, I extracted most of the oils out because your Makmaria is not supposed to even look very oily. I added this much oil so that the Makmaria will absorb the scent of the oil, and then it will give me an amazing result because my customer love complex scents. They love scent that is very very strong and scent that is very very long lasting. And that is the most simplest way to make your Makmariya. Subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video, inshallah. If you would love to order this, purchase this, send a DM to the number on the screen, or you can send a DM on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next episode. Salaam alaikum. Bye.
أنا من هويت ما نمت ليلة رسلت ليه صوري الجميلة